Need to wrap a raw AAC recording in the more compatible MP3 format? This workflow is useful when a raw AAC stream will not open in your target app. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open AAC to MP3 Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose an AAC. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Use a bitrate appropriate to the source instead of choosing a huge number. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces an MP3 accepted by far more players. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. This is a lossy-to-lossy conversion, so keep the AAC source. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.